Welcome to Group 7's Human-Computer Interaction Workshop 1, which consists of concept analysis. The contents of this presentation will include a definition of what we believe concept analysis is, a list of the stakeholders, a shortened definition of the problem, the idea that we came up with for the problem space, the problems we encountered in the concept analysis phase, and a brief conclusion. Defining concept analysis. We believe that concept analysis is where you come up with an overview of what you are designing, showing who, what, and to a certain extent, why. It should be a general overview of the concepts without going into any design details. This is because adding feature details, such as specific interface design, too early can limit the ideas by restricting what can be done. At this stage in the process, the only stakeholders we came up with were Photo-Phoebe and ourselves, the developers. In the future, more may be added if the software is sold or used by people other than Photo-Phoebe. In Section 3, we took the given brief and shortened it so that we could match requirements throughout the process and make sure that we understood what was needed. Photo-Phoebe requires a new photo system which allows her to reduce the time she spends searching, organizing, and uploading large or small quantities of photos. The interface design should be implemented with tagging as well as hierarchical organization. The problem space was where we came up with some general functional requirements. Under each, we gave a title and then a brief definition. These included automatic tagging, which is where the photos are uploaded into the program, which then proceeds to tag them all. It also included other automatic features. Here, we wanted to be able to automatically select photos from a given criteria, have automatic sorting into a hierarchy or into groups, and automatic photo fetching from the camera to save time for Phoebe. Program performance in this case included the fact that the program or interface should be able to handle large amounts of photos efficiently and quickly. Usability meant that the program should not be too complicated and should be easy to navigate, understand, and use. Error messages, if there are any that eventually occur, should be specific and understandable to non-technical computer users. Manual functionality included that a program must be able to efficiently tag and untag large quantities of photos manually with one or multiple tags. We decided that for reference we needed to include a definition of tagging. In this case, tagging is where you can link one or more words describing aspects of the photo that can be used to search, organize, and edit said photos. Hierarchical tagging. This was defined as tags that are nested in other tags. For example, a photo may be tagged with mammal as well as dolphin, which is more specific. Searching tags was where the program or interface should be able to easily locate photos with specific tags. Lastly, editing tags was defined as the program or interface should be able to add, remove, or modify tags. Section 5 includes the problems that we encountered in the concept analysis phase. As a group, I think we struggled to come up with ideas for this phase, mainly because it was hard not to go into details about the features. We did not have trouble with staying away from physical aspects of the solution. It was more that for this phase, it should be a general concept, and we were becoming far too specific in our brainstorming and discussions. After having the group brainstorm, we came up with the ideas listed in the previous slides. We wanted to focus on what the program or interface should be able to do for Phoebe in order for her to not dread going to her computer to add more photos to her system or find one when she was going to draw a scenic masterpiece. Now we come to the conclusion of this presentation. Thank you very much for taking the time to look at Group 7's first workshop showing the concept analysis phase of the Photo Phoebe problem.